The veggies on this NFT system have been harvested, and I'm going to clean them next. Step 1, add some cleaner and pour it into the wastewater in the tank. Step 2, turn on the pump and let the water circulate until the pipes look clean, and that's it. You can lift each pipe so that the wastewater inside the pipe can flow faster into the tank. In addition to that, we can scrub the surface of the pipes with a towel while the pump is circulating. After all the wastewater is discharged inside the water tank, we have to clean out the wastewater inside the tank. Step 3, prepare 2 buckets of fresh water and inject the water into the pipes for flushing. If you have the condition, you can also connect the water pipe to clean directly, which is more convenient. Again, you can raise this pipe a little bit so that it is easy for the wastewater inside to be drained out. Once the wastewater is drained, clean out the tank and refill it with fresh water, and you're ready for the next round of planting. Here are the steps for planting. Fill the tank with fresh water. Add nutrient solution according to the proportion. First add nutrient solution A, then add nutrient solution B, and then add nutrient solution C. Remember to mix well. Time the pump so that the water and nutrient solution circulate more evenly. Transplanting vegetable seedlings. Soak the planting wool well, then wrap the vegetable seedlings with planting wool and put them into the planting basket, and then transplant them. Turn on the lights to provide additional light for the vegetables.